Alchemy of Stephen's School. Do not try this at home, not for consumption. The golden bow and the doves of Diana symbolized. In old alchemical manuscripts, a belief that metals grew in the caverns of the earth, like subterranean trees. The doves of Diana were said to ascend and descend as the great work of alchemy unfolded in the alchemist's glass. Diana's tree in alchemy was also called the Philosopher's tree, or Arbor Philosophorum. Known by the moon symbol. Diana's tree was associated with the tree of life. And rumored a precursor to the Philosopher's Stone of ancient alchemy science. Alchemists such as Isaac Newton, Michael Sendivogius, and Irenaeus Philelius sought the alchemy secrets of Diana's tree. And the Philosopher's Stone. Of alchemy.